Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I would just like come on camera and film a makeup tutorial for you guys. So I already gelled up my edges, I just popped on my wig, and I have a bare canvas. I only have like lip balm on my lips right now. I'm just wondering if I should start with my eyes on my face, but I think I'm gonna start with the eyes because I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I was thinking purple shadows. I was playing around with some shadows, so I'm thinking purple right now. And sorry for my voice, I literally just woke up and I was in the mood to film, so that's why I'm here right now. So yeah, I'm gonna start with my brows because I can't really do my shadows if my brows not done, so I know like where I want my shadow to be. So we're gonna start with the Anastasia Brow Wiz in the color Ebony. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me, this one, to shape them, and also gonna prime my eyelids so we can start with the eye makeup look. So I'm just gonna use a big shadow brush just to blend it in. Now I'm gonna take a spoolie and just make sure everything is well blended. Okay, so we can start with the shadows. So first, what I'm gonna do is take my contour kit by Anastasia. I'm gonna use this color here, the darker shade, for my crease. So I'm gonna use this color as a transition color. I mean, you don't have to be precise about it. It's just so that when you use a colorful color after, it's gonna blend easier. It's gonna be much easier for you. You can always put it all over the lid if you want, just so you have a base, because we didn't even set our concealer. So now we're gonna go with the Huda Beauty Warm Brown Obsession palette, and I'm gonna use this color here, this one, and we're gonna put this color in the crease, right in the crease. You can always blend it up a little bit, but try to put most of the shadow like in the crease. Now I'm gonna take my Prism palette, and I've been really wanting to use the color Osiris, which is this color. So I'm just gonna use a shadow brush, like a small shadow brush. We're just gonna pack it on all over the lid. It's not as intense as I thought it would be. And I'm gonna put it all the way up to the crease. I'm gonna try to use my fingers because it's really hard to work with actually. I really have to press and like get the color. Like usually I just like tap it and it's enough on my brush, but right now I really have to like dig in to get some shadows. And look, like what is this? You know, the whole palette is actually really great, so I don't know why the shadow is so bad. I'm gonna make it work, don't worry. Going to make it work. Don't worry guys, I got this. Okay, yeah, so this shadow is pretty hard to work with. I mean, maybe I just thought it was going to be more intense than that, because usually her glittery shadows like are more creamy. This one was so dry. You want to blend your lid shadow. I think I'm gonna go with the deeper shade just because, but I'm not gonna put too much because I want some kind of a gradient. I'm gonna take a small blending brush like this, a clean one. I just want to blend everything. That's the part what I'm afraid of, like if I blend it, Anastasia color is just gonna fade, and I'm dragging it all the way here. Like it's so hard for me to do talk through sometimes because I don't know what to talk about, and I'm so used to like listening to music when I do my makeup that I'm just so concentrated. So when I come and like do talk through, so you guys, it's like, what the hell am I talking about? Like, what are we talking about? What do you guys want to talk about? You guys know you can always leave comments, and like, it doesn't even have to be with what we just did, what makeup we just did. It could be about anything. Like, I really want to get to know my subscribers because I think you guys are awesome. Honestly, you guys are always checking out my videos, always leaving comments, telling me how my makeup looks good and everything. You guys are really supportive and I really appreciate it. I know we're not a big family so far, but I mean, a family is a family. So, okay. So I think we're gonna do the face now. Yeah, let's do the face. So I'm gonna start with my moisturizer, Hydrogenous. You guys know it's new to me. And I really been liking it. I had better before. Like I used to use I don't know if you guys know Bioterm, and they used to have like one that was so similar to this one. Even the consistency, like even the smell, I would say it was so similar to this one. I'm gonna go with my Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I'm trying to like take the last bits of it. I just want to finish it honestly, but I really like it. I mean, this doesn't really like do anything for my oils, but it makes my skin so smooth. Anyway, so foundation I'm gonna use Fit Me 340, and I'm gonna mix it a little bit with my True Match. I've been trying to use it a bit more. It's just that I find that like the undertone is so wrong for me, so that's why I'm gonna mix it with this. So I'm kind of using both, so it's kind of like I'm using it up. So yeah, like I was saying before, you guys can always talk to me about anything in the comment section. It doesn't have to be about like the makeup I just did or whatever I'm talking about, like babbling about in my videos. And if you guys want, like, also like my social media are in the description box. You guys can always like go in my Instagram and talk to me, or Twitter and talk to me if you guys want to. It's really up to you. Like, I don't mind. I actually would like it if you guys did it, but only if you guys are comfortable with that. Now we're gonna do concealer. I'm gonna use the same one I used before, Fit Me. Okay, I'm just gonna set everything with Laura Mercier. I'll put like the minimum. Now I'm gonna bronze my face. You know with what? Anastasia. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the eyes. So I want to do the under, like the lower lash line. I can't even talk right now. So we're gonna go with the darkest shade that we had here from the Huda Beauty. And I'm gonna take an angle brush so I can do and like line it. So you just want to connect everything together. Next, we're gonna go back to my Prism palette. I'm gonna take a pencil brush like this. And we're gonna go with the color Dimension right here. I'm gonna put it in the corner for some like brightness. And kind of just want to blend it with the other color. So I'm adding a little bit of glitter like right in the middle. I mean, it's cute. So I'm just gonna, it's giving it more of a, what I thought the color was gonna be, but it's not. So just put it right in the middle. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go with my blending brush and we're gonna go with that color here and blend my lower lash line. You don't have to add color if you don't want to. You can always just go and blend. That's cute. I mean, you know. So I'm just gonna add mascara right now on my top and bottom lashes. So now we're gonna do a highlight. I'm gonna use my Master Chrome highlighter. I think I'm gonna mix it with my Wet n Wild. I'll put just a little bit, just for some added shimmer. So I'm gonna use my MAC Cork lip liner. And I'm gonna use my L'Oreal lipstick. I'm just gonna set my face with my Urban Decay setting spray all-nighter. Do you guys want to see me do my hair? Like, do you? You guys can't respond, but yeah, I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. So like I said, I have gel, so it's pretty much set right now. So I'm not gonna do much, like my edges are already done. It's just that, I don't know if you guys can see, but it doesn't sit right. So I'm just gonna brush my hair. Also, you guys, I'm coloring my hair. Like, not a funky color, I'm just gonna color my hair like the same color I have right now. I'm probably gonna film it. I'm not sure yet. So you can always stick around if you guys want to see how I color my hair. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna show you like the colors I use, which brand, and why I chose that color, and all the details on actually why I color my hair even. Because you're probably gonna be like, what, you color your hair? But yeah, I do. Yeah, I'm just gonna take my straightener and do this part here. It's a bit wavy, so I use this one. It's hot. It's really dirty, that's why it's fuming. But it's not that hot. Now it's ready. Should probably clean it. So what you want to do, I take my teasing brush, like a dense brush, whatever, and I just make sure everything is blending together. Okay, so I'm gonna go put my fake lashes on and I'll come back right after that. Okay guys, so I put on my lashes. You guys can see the look looks more put together. Yeah, so I really like it, to be honest. Like, I think it's really pretty. It's just except for that one shadow that you guys like saw. It's like it was so hard to work with, but like I said, we made it work, you know. Like, it looks good. So yeah, I just wanted to do a purple look because I don't know why, I just was feeling purple today. Yeah, so I have a nude lip, and yeah, so the palette is really good. You guys saw me, like, I did already 2 tutorials. I'll link them down below for you guys to see the other tutorials I did with the Prism palette. It's just that shadow, like, it's almost like it doesn't have a base, so once you swatch it, it's like, as you can see, like, it looks really nice. Like, it looks good and everything, except you guys can see, like, it doesn't have so much of a base, so it's almost like already gone, you know. It's like, I just thought it was gonna be more pigmented than that, but it's not. So maybe it's me, but you guys see, like, I made it work. But I mean, I know Anastasia, usually it's more creamy than that. You guys saw me push like my brush in. I was almost gonna break the palette, but you know, I didn't break it. I made it work. Everything's good. Let's not talk about this anymore. Yeah, so I really like the look. If you liked it, put a like. You guys, likes really help my channel, so you guys want to put a like on this video, go back to my older videos and put a like. I would really appreciate it. If you're new, it's the first video like you guys are watching of me, just don't forget to subscribe before you leave, because I do upload every week except for those like dark moments. But not really dark, just sometimes like shit happens and you know, I can't really upload, but most of the time I upload every week. So you guys, like, I have content, okay? I have things to show you. And yeah, comment down below. You guys, I want to get to know you guys, so, and I'm sure you guys want to get to know me too. I don't talk much about myself, but it's okay. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Like I said, maybe I'm gonna show you how I color my hair. I'm not sure yet. I'm really not sure yet. We'll see. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video. Let's just close this video. It's gonna be probably like a super long video already. Yeah, if you guys have any suggestions, just put it down below. If you guys want to talk to me, like, comment, and I'll talk to you guys, of course. Like and subscribe, and all to my new subscribers, welcome to the family. I'm really appreciate you guys subscribing to me. Yeah, so I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.